Any bouncers? Whitney and her new toy. Go, Whitney, go. Bouncers. Bouncers. There you go. Bouncers. Go, yeah. Show sister how you can bounce. Say hi. Kitty bouncers? Say hi, Poppy. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Sister Bailey. Hi, Mimo. Hi, Poppy. Hi, everybody. Yeah, tell us. Talk about it. Talk about it. Yeah? Yeah, what? Go bouncers? You go bouncers? Yeah, that's a big girl. That's a big girl. Her 6 months old. Yes, they're 6 months old. Oh yeah, hers to talk about it too. And her 6 months old. And her so happy. Huh? What are you saying? Blah, blah, blah. Say hi, everybody. I'm bouncing. I'm gonna bounce. I'm bouncing. Yes, I'm gonna do it.
I know I am. So let's watch it.
Say bye, ma, ma, ma. Say ma, ma, ma. Yeah. Can you smile at him for me? Give him a big smile. Oh, hi, Whitney. Hi, Whitney. Say bye-bye.